Hi, I'm Rona Davis with CommScope. I'm on the strategy and technology team for our venue and campus business. And I'm going to talk today with you briefly about how you can extend PoE utilizing CommScope's powered fiber cable system. The network is expanding into every nook and cranny on the campus. Wireless and security demands are driving the need for more wireless access points, security cameras, and network access control points. Many of these devices now are outside of the traditional network coverage areas. This poses potential challenges with network connectivity and power often not nearby. But that's okay. You're not stuck in a lurch. CommScope has the tools to get your network off and running. Let's get started. The main goal of the CommScope powered fiber cable system is to reduce the expense and complexity of extended distance applications by combining the power distribution and data circuit into an NEC Class 2 low voltage system with a simplified enclosure that is placed near the network device or devices. If you have device or devices that are outside of the 100 meters supported by the Category 6A4 pair cable standard, then you can install our powered fiber cable system and eliminate the need to add remote telecommunications rooms or telecommunications enclosures and eliminate the need to install power to the device location. The powered fiber cable system installs like a long extension cord for power and data. It has three primary system components: the hybrid power fiber cable, the PoE extender that is located near the endpoint device, and the power supply shelf located in the nearest telecommunications room. So let's review each of the three main elements to the powered fiber cable solution, starting with the Triamese hybrid copper and fiber cable. It is available in up to 12 fibers in both single mode and multi-mode varieties. The copper conductors are available in 12 and 16 gauge. The power requirements and distance you need to go will determine whether you use the 12 or 16 gauge cable, and you can find the powered fiber cable calculator on the CommScope website under the resources page. Now the cable is available in an outdoor version or an indoor-outdoor riser version. It is designed for rapid deployment with easy peel access to make copper and fiber faster and easier. No special tools are required. Ordinary wire strips allow you to access both the copper and the fiber. So the PoE and power extenders are the main component in the solution. In essence, we have combined all the elements that are required in a remote telecom enclosure into the extender. In addition, the components are hardened and protected with carrier-grade electrical protection, so they will last. You're not going to be back up on that pole replacing it. The hybrid cable will enter into the extender through a weather-sealed grommet. The copper conductors are screwed down on a terminal strip. In the case of the PoE extender, the fiber is terminated with LC connectors and plugged in into an extended temperature range SFP that is mounted inside the extender. In the case of the two-port extender, two SFPs can be mounted in the extender. Alternately, a single SFP can be used to combine two network devices on a single network switch port. The output of the PoE extender is either one or two copper RJ45 ports. Each port is capable of 1000 base T Ethernet and 802.3 AT PoE. In the case of the power extenders, the fiber is terminated with LC connectors, but is patched through to the endpoint device with a single patch cord. The patch cord is plugged into an SFP interface on the network device. In the case of the power extenders, power is delivered to the network device through two conductor cable connecting to the appropriate input on the network device in 12 or 48 volts. So in the case of the power extenders, we are not combining data and power into a PoE circuit. This may be desirable for some devices that exceed gigabit Ethernet or 802.3 AT power levels, or devices that are already equipped with DC power and fiber connectivity. Both extender types have the same features and benefits. With regard to power conditioning, the extenders have a DC to DC voltage converter. In other words, we can accommodate a large voltage drop due to distance from the centralized power supply to the extender because we can adjust the voltage backup to the appropriate levels inside of the extender. We also have 3 levels of voltage protection integrated into our box. The enclosure is also IP67 rated, so it can be directly exposed to the outdoor environment. CommScope offers a power supply for use in the telecom room. However, it is important to know that our system does not require the use of this specific power supply. Any NEC Class 2 low voltage power supply can be used with our system. Having said that, CommScope has partnered with ABB Industrial Supply, formerly GE, to offer the Power Express DC power distribution solution. The power supply is modular and can easily accommodate expansion as deployments grow in size. In a basic installation, one Power Express chassis will be coupled with one slimline power system rectifier chassis. The Power Express chassis can be populated with 4 DC distribution modules, each providing 8 individual DC output channels. In case of expansion, the modules can be added without taking the system down. When fully populated, the system can service 32 2-port extenders or 64 network devices. Additional device support is available in more complex installations. Now, the slimline power system rectifier can be populated with 3 rectifier modules. When feeding the system with 120-volt AC power, each module produces 1200 watts of DC power. These modules are also hot swappable. With the optional SPS controller, the power supply can be put on the building automation system network with remote monitoring and control. This may be desirable for larger installations. Let's go through a quick summary of the solution benefits to the CommScope powered fiber cable system. First and foremost, you can significantly extend PoE distances from the 100 meters that's allowed on copper to up to 10,000 feet with the powered fiber cable system, depending on the power consumption needed. You can reduce deployment costs by eliminating separate AC power distribution, simplify power management through centralization of the power distribution system, and by providing remote management capabilities. You'll have improved reliability through carrier-grade electrical protection. You can speed up installation by eliminating dependence on additional trades. And you can improve reliability by providing a weather-rated enclosure for outdoor applications. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this short presentation helpful. You can reach out to your local CommScope rep for more details on our powered fiber cable system. Thank you.